You say so.
Okay, so let's talk about joint pain that so many of us experience, especially in the colder months. I feel like that's when the pain and the aches in our big joints, like our knees and our elbows and our ankles, really rear their ugly heads. And light therapy is a great way to soothe that. But here's what's cool. Of course, this is Tommie Copper. They're so brilliant at giving us these innovative ways to lead our lives in, ways that just feel more comfortable, basically. This is light therapy, LED light therapy, on the go. Whereas before, maybe you were just holding a heating pad, or maybe you had light therapy, but you had to hold it there. This is designed to fit around those major joints where we feel the pain the most, in our elbows, in our knees, in our ankles, and give you that light therapy that adds this bit of warmth to it that is super soothing. So it's called the LED and red light therapy joint wrap. It's V46418. It's on a clearance price of $112.48. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on right here. You saw in that video how it works, what it looks like, but this is that LED red light. You have 60 high-powered LED lights, and that's gonna reach deep into those muscle joints and give you that warming effect that helps your muscles to relax. So we've knocked off $52.52. It's now $112.48. That's a no reorder situation. This whole show is a no reorder situation. $22.50 gets it home on Easy Pay. Only about 200 of these to go around. So if you do suffer from those aches and pains deep in your joints and muscles, this is going to be a great temporary reliever for you. Let me invite in Denise Repko, who brings us the Tommie Copper brand and is my friend. Hey, Denise, how are you?
Hi, girlfriend. I'm really well, because I'll tell you what, full disclosure, my New Year's resolution was to get back to more regular and consistent workouts. But on top of that, I have 3 granddaughters. And when I tend to hold the littlest one, who's 2, my elbow just screams at me. I can't even pick up a cup of coffee. So what I love about this is it takes care of that stiffness, that pain that I have in the elbow around the joint. And not only is it hands-free, it stays put, I'm not tethered to a cord. Right. I don't have to sit on a couch with a cord. This is on the go. This is pain relief on the go. And it is the same technology, by the way, that you would get in a doctor's office, a chiropractor's office, a physical therapy office, a kinesiologist's office. And when you say 60 lights, I want you to know that 30 of them are red and 30 of them are infrared. So you can't detect the infrared. We can't see them with the naked eye, but the red warms the body. The infrared penetrates deeper below the tissue, into the muscle, into the joint, and actually helps stimulate and create blood flow and circulation while you're wearing this. So that in turn helps with the pain. And because it's Tommie Copper, it's premium anti-odor technology.
Of course.
And it's really phenomenal if you've got that joint pain. And you can put it on your knee, absolutely. So you always want the straps to be horizontal, just so you know.
Okay. Where
is that knee? Well, that's the increased circulation, the increased blood flow, what you get from those infrared lights. But the light on the back, or the little button on the back, as you saw, you hold it in, it goes on. If you don't want a 20-minute session, because these are pre-programmed to run for 3 20-minute sessions. That's how much charge it holds.
Okay.
You could stop it at any time. Just push that button, hold it for a few seconds, and it shuts itself off. But I just love that if you gotta go, if you're driving somewhere, because sometimes driving bothers my elbow. I don't know what's going on. As I'm almost 60, so the things are just starting like one at a time, starting to go. But I'm not ready to throw in the towel. I'm not.
No.
What I mean? So these are the types of things that help me. I don't want to put on a cream or a goop, or I don't want to take a pill, and I really don't have time to go make an appointment somewhere. So this, for me, really does the trick. I did 2 treatments while I was kind of waiting this morning and this afternoon for you guys to get, for my turn to talk to you. And I'm telling you, my elbow, not only does it feel warm and soothed, but it feels good. Like I don't feel that pinch that was going up the back of my arm, So I just really highly recommend it, especially if you have pain in those joints where it's hard to put things on. It's hard to hold something there. This was designed specifically for the knee, for the ankle, for the elbow. You could even get this on your shoulder if you needed to. So I'm really
I
a
guess you
fan.
could, because the straps are really generous. So this is going to be a one-size-fits-most situation. Are you shopping, Terry? Terry just sat down next to me with a phone, which means danger, danger, danger.
I literally left to go get my phone. In this case, it's because I wanted to ask questions. Hi, Denise. How you doing? You've had a busy couple days.
I know she has.
Yeah. It was good to see you girls, though.
It was good to see you, too. So, and they were asking, can you use this on your neck for a stiff neck and neck pain? And you did just mention that.
Yeah, so that's a good question.
Okay.
It's a good question because you know what you can do? You can just kind of lay it around the back of your neck, because I'll tell you what I also use this for. Those tension headaches that you get in the back of your neck, you know, the base of your head. Ladies, I mean, I don't, full disclosure, I can't even believe I'm saying this. I don't get those monthly headaches anymore, but I still do get tension headaches.
Sure.
So you just lay this over your shoulders and your neck, and it just feels good. And again, these are pre-programmed to run for 20-minute sessions, 3 in one full charge. It takes 2 to 4 hours to give it that full charge, but on the go, you know, you got to take care of the kids, the family, do the shopping, whatever you're doing. You don't have to make an appointment, number one.
Right.
You don't have to use a cream or a goop or a pill, which I think is huge. And you don't have to be tethered to sitting down, looking at your watch, going, look, I gotta go, I can't wait for this treatment to be over. Same as doctors' offices, chiropractors. They use this technology. It's been around for 25 years. The infrared penetrates below the tissue.
Right.
It's the red that warms the skin.
Yeah.
It does. So just really an amazing.
And I want to make sure everyone knows it doesn't get hot, but there is like a really soothing warmth sensation. Do you feel it?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's really light, but
It's
it really
nice.
is delightful.
Well, and it's something that you can't see, right, Denise? I mean, it's penetrating.
Well, the lights that you can see, because there
Well,
are 60 of them here, you can see 30 red lights. And then every other one looks like it's black, but that's the infrared. So please don't think when you get this home that it's not working. We as human beings cannot visually see infrared, but it is the infrared light that goes beneath the tissue of the skin, deep, and to penetrate into those muscles, those joints, gets the blood flow circulating, which is what in turn kind of helps that healing process.
That's nice.
And the warmth just feels good. It just feels like you're really pampering yourself, taking care of yourself. I mean, who wants to live with pain?
It's a true moment of therapy that you're gifting to yourself or someone that you love. And from Tommie Copper, whom we trust pretty much intrinsically when it comes to things like this,
To
right?
get Tommie Copper, this type of technology on a clearance price that you could still return if you need to.
Of course.
Now's the day to do it. You're watching at the right time right now.
And it's going to be fun. It's 846-418-2250 gets it home on your 5 easy pays. Denise, it's always so great to see you.
Bye, girlfriends.
Bye, Denise.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So I have this